In this video, we're going to take a look at the results of our Design for Manufacturing check from Advanced Circuits. After you submit your CAM files, as we did in the last video, you'll receive an email like this from Advanced Circuits and provide you links to the information about your design. The first thing you can look at is it'll give you kind of how they saw your Gerber files. They looked at them, re-rendered them as a PDF so that you can tell exactly what they're seeing. You can click on these and you'll download each of them. I've already downloaded those for us. This is the all the layers combined, so you can see our board. There's the outline of the board. There's the various holes and the outlines of the various parts, and you can see the traces as well. They also give you files that have each of the layers independently. This is the drills. These are all the holes that they will drill in the board. This is the, I believe, the bottom solder mask. This is the top layer solder mask, top layer copper. Pardon me, this is the top layer copper. The previous one is the top layer solder mask. And the bottom layer solder mask as well. And then here's the top silk screen, and there is no bottom silk screen in this design. So that looks pretty good. You know, you should take a look at those and make sure that they match what you think you should be building, and also that they match what you saw when you looked at the Gerbers with your own Gerber viewer. Usually they'll line up just fine. The more important link is the second one here. Click on that and it'll take you to this list of errors. So there's two categories here. The first are the showstoppers, and these are things that will actually make your board non-manufacturable. That means you violated some of the rules that they have, and they don't know how to fix them. The second category is the problems that were automatically fixed. There's usually, turns out there can be quite a few of these, but they're not a big deal because they're able to automatically fix them. So in this case, we can click on them. A lot of them are insufficient silk screen line width. And those are just places where some of the lines in our silk screen are too narrow. And the way that it'll fix those is just by going in and making them a little bit wider so that they can actually print them. So this all looks pretty good. You should scan through these and make sure that you understand what's going on in each of them. And of course, you'll have to fix any showstoppers that it points out in your design, and then resubmit the files and run another DFM check. We're not going to manufacture anything that's not DFM clean, and that means that there should be no showstoppers, and that you should understand everything that's going on with the automatically fixed problems. So that means that we're all ready to manufacture our board. In the class, when we go to manufacture a board, I'll actually have to do that with you because it needs a credit card and so forth. But the process is actually very similar. There's a similar form where you set the parameters for the manufacturing and then send them that CAM file. And then in about a week, you get back the finished board. And that's it.